Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today I'll show you how to install Landing CMS page on Debian 12.9. Landing CMS is simple and cross-platform for management landing pages. It does not use any databases. In this tutorial, we will cover the installation of Landing CMS on Debian 12.9. Let's check OS version of this machine. Run the command in the terminal cat/etc/release. There is a version code is Trixie. It is latest version 12.9 of Debian. Now, we are going to install Apache Web Server. Run the below command. apt install Apache 2. We successfully installed Apache Web Server in the terminal. Now, clear the terminal. Let's download the Landing CMS package from the internet with get command. Run the below command. I'll provide this command in description of this video. Now check the zip file with ls command. Let's unzip the file by using the following command. Unzip file name, then enter. Let's clear the terminal. Run the following mv command. To move the file from one location to another. Provide ownership permission to /var/www/landing by chown command. chown -r www-data:/var/www/landing. Provide the execution permission to that file with chmod command. Run the following command. Change the directory to /etc/apache2/sites available. Here create a file with name landing.conf. You can directly open with vi editor. Open the file landing.conf in vi editor. Enter the content inside the file, then save and exit from a file. Disable the default.conf file by using the below command. I already disabled it. Now, enable the landing.conf file which we have created a file before. Run the following command. Run the command systemctl reload Apache 2. To activate the configuration file. Now, enable the rewrite module in Apache 2. By using the following command, sudo a2nmod rewrite. Then restart the Apache service. Systemctl restart Apache 2. Open any browser which you have. Here I open Firefox browser. Enter the domain name. www.linuxhelp1.com, then click Enter. Finally, you land in CMS landing page. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.